Hey YouTube, the monster is back in the United States of America. The monster is back in the USA. Vybz Kartel has his visa reinstated. Now, I hate to be the one to tell you that I told you so, but this is gonna be a disaster for a lot of people in Jamaica, because Vybz Kartel has no good intention for his fans, his Gaza fans, his Gaza idiots. And now that he has the green light from America, he's gonna prove me right. This is where you're gonna see the agenda that Vybz Kartel was released. He was released to push or promote a certain agenda, and this is where you're gonna see it in full swing. Don't be surprised if Vybz Kartel is promoting homosexuality and transgenderism and all of that right now. This is Bright Spark TV telling you, man, I knew something was up when I saw that they let Vybz Kartel free, and he's just now with Saddam Öztürk from the UK. I knew that something was up, and now he's back in America. Man, I'm glad I'm straight. I'm glad I was born straight, and I'm gonna be straight for the rest of my life. I'm glad I don't even listen to Vybz Kartel new music. Yeah, I'll listen to the old music, but you're gonna start hearing a lot of little rainbow music from Vybz Kartel. A little gem here, a little gem there, until he goes full swing and tell you that he doesn't care about those guys. I mean, I'm not against them whatsoever. I have nothing against them, as long as they don't bring that to me or in my circle. You know, it's nothing. I might even be working with them, I don't know, because you know they're not gonna come out and let it be known that they're that way. I don't hate them, I don't love them. I'm not fighting against them, I don't want to hurt them. But I can tell you, man, this move by Vybz Kartel, it is to push a certain agenda in Jamaica. The biggest influencer in Jamaica's history is Vybz Kartel, separate and apart from Bob Marley. But Bob Marley, he influenced a different generation, and he's gone to be with the Lord. May his soul rest in peace. But Vybz Kartel is Jamaica's biggest influencer in the past decade. He was locked up, and now he's freed. And no doubt, undoubtedly, there's an agenda that he came out to push. There's some agreement that was made between himself and some powerful people. They got him out. They showed him how easy it is for him to come out. And they want him to do what they want him to do. So just listen to the music, man. Look at even the Fix interview the other day. The Vybz Kartel we knew 13 years ago would never, ever insinuate that he would do oral sex. Never. Not that Vybz Kartel. What happened between then and now that this Vybz Kartel is gonna come out on a big interview and tell you that, listen, if I do it, then I'm gonna sing about it or whatever. He's priming, he's preparing, he's persuading the audience for something more freakier. And what can be more freakier than cunnilingus and all of that? It has to be the rainbow guys. That's the reason he's out. You listen to Curly Locks of Twins and Twins, Twins of Twins, we all know what's going on. But the Gaza Sheeps, they're gonna be the biggest faggots in Jamaica, man. I'm telling you, the Gaza Sheeps, they're gonna be the biggest guys in Jamaica. Yo, I have to laugh, man. They're gonna, Vybz Kartel come out and say, do this, they wanna do it. You just watch and listen, man. Look out. He's now in America. Glory to God, Trump is in power right now, and Trump, put a lot of things out in his first executive order, only 2 genders and all of that. That is why they didn't want Donald Trump in the presidency, because he's gonna do what the politicians don't want to do. And now you see Vybz Kartel enter back America, getting a US visa. You just look out, man, look out. Expect the expected, because we know what's going on. So expect the expected from Vybz Kartel. Between 2025 and yonder, he has an agenda to push. And that is why he's gone over there now to try to get the Grammy. You listen to Shenseea singing about infidelity, singing about girls shouldn't have a husband and be loyal to him and committed. They should have a man for a wig, a man for nails, a man for every purpose that she have. She have only one hole, and she want to have 10 men. Where is she going to store them? You listen to what they're singing. Dancehall isn't nice anymore, man. Dancehall is a brainwashing tool right now. It's a brainwashing distraction tool right now by the hierarchy that's controlling the media and controlling our society. So I'm not surprised when I saw that Vybz Kartel got his visa reinstated, because I knew he has an agenda to push. But because I know, I'm not going to fall for it. I'm not going to fall for it. And if you're on Bright Spot TV and you're prepared, then you're going to have a filter over your ears and your eyes and your mind and see exactly what he's doing. And I don't know how much longer, but you're going to come back here and tell me that, listen, Vybz Kartel is pushing this and pushing that, and I'm going to say, man, I told you so. So Vybz Kartel got his visa reinstated. He's now in California with Saddam Ozturk. They're anticipating a Grammy Award. I'm not going to say if he should win or not win, because if he wins, he's going to be having a competition with Beenie Man, because Beenie Man has the only Grammy right now, and Vybz Kartel is in contention of the King of the Dancehall title, so he wants to get the Grammy. But apart from the Grammy, they might give it to him, and they might give it to Shenseea also, because Shenseea is already pushing lesbianism. Shenseea is already pushing lesbianism in dancehall. I don't remember the song that she sang, but she already has a lesbianism song in dancehall. So let's see if Vybz Kartel will get the Grammy and what he's going to be singing about after. Do you think he's going to win the Grammy? Tell me about it in the comment section. This is Bright Spot TV. God bless, one love, until the next video.